Good morning, guys! It's 10:15. Super late bumangon, but I was up early kasi si Zach. So, yes, it's a breakfast time. As usual. Si Daddy, gusto niya daw tuna and cheese. I might just have cheese. And mas bet ko yung luto sa pan kaysa sa waffle maker kasi hindi crispy yung sa waffle maker. Sa waffle maker hindi siya crispy. So, yes, that's what I'm gonna do. And I don't know what's for lunch. I didn't go to the grocery kasi it's a weekend. Usually naman weekend I don't cook usually. But yeah, but we have visitor coming today. My asawa ng aking sister-in-law. So, hi, Bunny. Darating yung asawa niya dito. So, he's gonna stay for the weekend. So, I don't know. Wala kami pagkain. Tapos, umuulan pa. Akala ko nga, kaya din hindi ako kumikilos for breakfast. Akala ko mag-breakfast kami sa labas. Kasi usually, weekend, ganun ka. So, it's raining. Kainis. Pero patapos na. Anyways, good morning! Happy Saturday! Hi guys. Tapos ko na, hindi pa ako tapos actually magluto ng, maaraw na, mag-prepare ng sandwich. Sila daddy pa lang nagawan ko. Yung akin, still cooking. Yun lang ayoko kasi medyo matagal. Parang feeling ko matagal. Pag nilakas ako naman yung apoy, parang ang bilis masunog. But anyway, etong sabi ko, kain na rin ako nito para ma-startan ko na yung aking milk supply. To increase my milk supply. Wala man lang direction sa likod or something. Naghahanap ako. Although napaka-basic naman ang paggawa ng oatmeal. Pero still naghahanap ako ng direction. Wala. Tapos nakalagay, sabi, it can be consumed as a hot beverage or used as a replacement for rice in cooking porridge or in baking recipes. So, sabi ko, hot beverage, parang yung na Nesvita. Sabi ko, gano'n na lang, mas madali. Mag-iinit lang ako ng tubig kaysa sa pot pa, lalagay ng init pa ganyan. So, sabi ko, try ko siya as hot beverage. Tapos, nilagyan ko na siya nito. Kasi ito talaga brewer's yeast. Pinaka-active parang ingredient for active ingredient or parang tumutulong na mag-increase ng milk supply. So, pero hindi ko type yung amoy niya. Pero ang dami kong nilagay. So, kanina, muntikan na yung aking tsaa. Kanina, medyo clear yung water. Kasi water lang nilagay ko, hindi milk. Medyo clear kanina, pero since nilagyan ko nito, ayan, naging ganyan na siya. Tapos, I'm gonna have green tea with honey. And, we'll see. Hindi ko bet yung amoy. Minute. I can definitely taste that. Yung amoy niya kasi parang alam na yung lasa. Naparami yata yung lagay ko. Actually, may pagkalasang, kasi brewer's yeast, ito yung ginagamit din sa pag-brew ng mga alak, ng beer, I believe. Or galing siya doon. Kung tama yung pagkakaintindi ko. So, may pagkalasang alak siya. Anyways, pagtsagaan. Hindi ko kasi alam kung kailan I'm gonna open the window kasi it's sunny na. Marami hangin. Hindi ko kasi alam kung kailan ako makakapag-bake ng oatmeal. Oatmeal cookie yun eh. Parang yung usually recipe for lactation cookies is most oatmeal cookie. You get what I mean? And yung brownie ko, yun, nirap ko sa foil kagabi. Ngayong umaga pa lang, nakadalawa na ako. Ay, wait. Hindi kang pa masunog. So, yeah. Ngayong umaga, nakadalawa na akong brownie. Tapos mag-cheese sandwich pa ako. Wow. Grabe. Ang lunch na ba? Hindi ko alam kung anong lunch namin. I'm not in the mood to cook. So, yeah. Hey guys, it's 12:20 na and yung pimple ko, halatang-halata na talaga. Pagod ako, naglinis na naman ako ng kusina and ng sala, yung sahig, wales, and mop, and yells. I don't know what's for lunch. Wala akong naluluto pa. And hindi ko alam kung magte-take out kami or kakain kami sa labas. We'll see. Pero parang gusto ko ng steak. Parang gusto ko ng steak. Yes! Anyways, kailangan pala kumilos na kami kasi magnanap time. Sobrang katamad na weekend. Ewan ko kami gala kami today. Sana meron. Kamusta naman ang tirik ng araw mga te? Punta ako ng grocery, bilhin ng diaper ni Zach and then mag-take out na lang ako ng food. Dahil si daddy busog pa daw. So kami na lang kakain. Hindi ko pa alam bibilin ko. Sayang nga eh, may afritada pa nga pala. Kaso lang ng sinaing, walang kanin. May bigas pero pag naghintay pa ako ng sinaing, anong oras pa kami makakain. Kaya sabi ko take out na lang kami. So yes. Hey guys, it's 2:45 and tulog na yung dalawa. And now I'm gonna do the thing that I have been procrastinating for a while now, and that is to clean my makeup brushes. I'm gonna use this makeup brush cleaner that I got from Daiso and see if it's effective. I'm really so lazy to do this. But we have no choice. Baka itong nagiging cause ng aking pimple. So, yes. Ay, ito nga, konti lang yan. Kung marami pa yan, Diyos ko, mas tamad na ako talaga. Okay. Let's clean this. Good afternoon! Hi, Isaac! Hi, Daddy! Alas 6, ano na? Ano oras na, Daddy? Past 6 na ba? And yan lang kami naglalabas. Late na nagising si Zach from the nap. And yeah, we're going to the big playground. Doon sa may sa may East Coast. Yung dati na yung pinuntahan. I don't know if you remember that. But yeah, kasi last time na pumunta kami, nasa 1 o'clock ng tanghali, napakainit. Ngayon, oo. Ngayon, walang araw. Parang ulan pa nga. So, sana hindi kami abutan. Let's go! We're here at the beach. Hi! Okay, let's go. We're going to the playground. Are you excited? Jeb? Are you excited? Tao, ganyan pag weekend. So many people, what do you expect? Huh? So many people. Napapasukan pa tayo doon. Grabe lang. si Zed. Dito kami nakaupo. Hey, you stay there. You stay there. Okay, with our view over there. We are kinda in a romantic date. Yes, Daddy, na? Parang a little romantic date kasi by the beach with the candle kuno. So yeah, I like the ambience. We ordered ewan ko kung makikita nyo, madilim na siguro, pero we ordered a platter na merong chicken wings, may ribs, merong lamb shack ba yun? Lamb shack. Basta may lamb. Yan yung lamb, rendang. Yeah. So yeah, we're here at George Beach Club. Why? We're here sa may hindi kita. Ayun si Zeb. Playing, si Daddy kumakain. Yung sa loob nila, parang mas more happening. Parang may mga disco light. Tapos, mukhang maganda yung tugtog sa loob. Kaso, parang hindi kid-friendly doon. Dito lang sa labas. Ito naman, ang late nagising, mag-aalas 6 na ito nagising, tapos ngayon tulog na naman. Actually, it's 8 o'clock na ngayon. Maliligo pa itong mga to. Pati si Mami. Gusto ko din dun sa loob, kasi parang ngayon lang ako naka-feel ng parang clubbing effect. Nakakamiss. Hi, Zach! So, wakas, after 48 years, natapos kami kumain. Siguro mag-aalas 9 na. So, we're going home kasi maliligo pa. Ayan yung playground. Madami pa ding tao. Hi, Daddy! But it's okay. Mag-family date kami. Yay! Hey guys, it's 11 o'clock. 10:50 and tulog na sila. And si Daddy, ayan. Bagong ligo. Si Mami din. Anyways, we'll say goodnight. We'll see you tomorrow. Are you happy? Ha? Happy Saturday ba yan? Ha? Tomorrow, saan tayo pupunta? Ha? Gem? Sa Gem?
Ayaw nga ni Zach doon.
Anyway, good night guys. See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.
Bye.